This video tutorial explains to you how to open and close a trade and how to set take profits and stop losses. Right, so if you want to open a trade, there's two ways to do it. You can either click on the trade button on the currency or the pair that you want to trade, or you can click on at the bottom of MetaTrader 4, it says there trade. You can go to that screen, and in the top right hand corner there is a plus sign which opens up your trade terminal that allows you to open up trades. So over here you can in this section over here, well, let's start from the top. In this section over here are your currencies, so you can choose different currencies that you want to trade. And this is a drop down where it says buy stop. You can either enter the market with market execution, which means that if you click on the place trade button when it's blue, after you've put in your lot sizes and the price, then the trade will execute immediately. So if I click on market execution, the trade options are available, and then I can click on sell and I can click on buy, and then the trade will be executed on my MetaTrader 4, and then I will be trading. All right, then I've got another video that explains to you the buy and sell stops and the buy stops, the sell stops, the buy limits and the sell limits further down in the course, which I'm not going to explain to you now. But if you want to set up a let's say you want to place a stop loss or a take profit, in this section over here you would then put in here what price you want the stop loss and what price you want to take profits. So I don't use take profits and I don't use stop losses. I use hedge functionality, which I'm going to explain to you further down in the course. So very interesting strategy. Not many people understand it. Not many people know how to do it, but I don't believe in using take profits and stop losses. Okay, so I hope that you found this video interesting. And please like, subscribe, and comment on the video so that YouTube can then start sending you the correct videos, and also so that you don't miss another video that I make and you get notified when I make videos. So please like, subscribe, and comment on the video, and I'll see you on my next video.